Hi there, students. Shoddy, an adjective. Shoddily, an adverb. Shoddy means of poor quality, badly made, inferior. The book was shoddy. I didn't enjoy it very much, and it wasn't very well written. His essay was shoddy, and he can do much better. The repair to the roof was shoddily carried out. The basic ingredients used are shoddy, and you're never going to get a good result if you use shoddy ingredients. Bad quality, low quality. You can also apply shoddy to honesty and morality. Dishonest, shoddy business practice. So shoddy business practice, it's shady, it's clearly not honest. It might just be legal, but it's certainly shoddy. When he retired, they treated him shoddily and gave him the minimum pension. The shoddy moral principles of a con man. So, shoddy, not what they should be. So, shoddy, inferior quality, bad workmanship, an inferior copy trying to simulate something of superior quality. The jerry-built shoddy construction of the council houses. Have you ever received shoddy service in a shop or a restaurant? So shoddy furniture, cheap and tacky. The wall was shoddily painted, slapdash. The builder got a shoddy reputation for carrying out shoddy work. But of course it's shoddy because you get what you pay for. Personally, I would like to apologise to you all for the shoddy sound quality in some of my videos. So, shoddy clothes, shoddy work, a shoddy reputation, shoddy treatment, shoddy morals, shoddy public transport, low quality, badly made, inferior, not up to a minimum standard, or slightly dishonest, disreputable, something that you would complain about. Shoddy. So, what about formality? I think I would give this word a 5 in formality, maybe even 4.5, but it's a very flexible word and you can use it anywhere. In an informal conversation, you can also use it in a very formal document. Now we come to the question of origin. Well, shoddy in the past was a low grade, a low quality of cloth made from rags, from recycled wool, or from byproducts of the textile industry. And it's not designed to make clothes with, but people have been known to try. And that was shoddy, a bad quality material. And maybe the origin of this word comes from showed in Middle English, S-H-O-A-D, which is talking about loose stones or rubble or fragments. So the shoddy was made of fragments of wool, and that made a low quality textile. And nowadays we have the word shoddy meaning inferior, low quality, badly made. So I hope the video wasn't too shoddy, and I hope the sound quality wasn't as shoddy as it's been on other days. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Shoddy.